What's up guys, welcome back to Prime Growth Investment. This is your boy Ali and I am back again with another video. And in today's video I'm going to talk about Chargepoint. Today was a green day for Chargepoint, at least in the past hour before the market closed. It became a green day and it went up 11%, which is really good. I'm hoping that we go back in the $30 and I'm hoping we go back in the $40 mark. But before we start, I am not a financial advisor. I am only making this video for entertainment purposes, so if you're planning on investing, be sure to do your own research. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can watch more of my videos in the future. For those of you that don't know what Chargepoint is, it is a charging company for electric vehicles, and as of right now they have more than 89 million charges delivered. So if you haven't checked out their website, this is their website, chargepoint.com. Be sure to check it out. But what I'm gonna ask you today is this: could Chargepoint Stock supercharge your portfolio in 2021 and beyond? This is something that we're gonna go over today. And the article starts by saying that Chargepoint is a leading electric vehicle charging network in North America and in Europe. And investing in Chargepoint stock could allow you to invest in the EV market without picking a winner. Because at the end of the day, whether it's Tesla, whether it's NIO, whether it's any other EV company, their cars need to be charged. And Chargepoint will be there to charge their cars. And if we take a look, it does mention that Chargepoint had a pullback in the past couple weeks, but just like every other stock in the general market, it did go bad. If we take a look at the general market, we saw a pullback. Me personally, I think that's the reason why it happened. And if we continue reading this article, they talk about their revenue. So there is a competitor for Chargepoint, and it's called Blink. And Blink in 2019 they reported $2.8 million in revenue, and in 2020 they reported $3.8 million. So we saw a little increase in their revenue. But in terms of Chargepoint, they have reported $147 million in 2019. That is a huge number compared to Blink. But they're saying they're expecting 2021 to be less than 2019 because of the COVID pandemic. And the reason why, it's because Europe is actually very strict in terms of the COVID. There was a lot of restrictions, there was a lot of lockdowns going on in Europe more than in America. Blink is a Florida company based in Florida, so I could see the reason why 2020 was a difficult time for Chargepoint, but I'm hoping that 2021 will be a better year for Chargepoint. Now let's continue. So Chargepoint and the EV market, what's going on in the EV market? So Tesla and NIO, they have positive delivery sales, and they've been giving positive results, which is really amazing. So this is also good for Chargepoint, because as I said before, if Tesla sells more cars, and if NIO sells more cars, and if all the other electric vehicle companies sell more cars, their cars needs to be charged, and Chargepoint will be there, which means there's going to be more revenue coming in the future. Now, Europe is actually buying more EVs, more and more each month, and they're actually overtaking China in being the world's biggest EV market, which is really amazing. And this is actually a good sign for the future, because like I said, more people are leaning toward EV, more people are buying EV. And if we go down here, we can see that the European Union, they have a goal to reduce the greenhouse gases by 55% by 2030. So 9 years from now, they want to reduce the greenhouse gases by 55%. And in order for this to happen, more electric vehicles need to be sold. And Bloomberg estimate that 60% of the vehicles sold in the European Union has to be electric vehicles in order for that to happen. And once again, the more vehicles being sold, the more electric vehicles being sold, the better and the more revenue for ChargePoint. So the demand is very, very high, not only in Europe, but in the US as well, especially when Biden administration is taking the greenhouse gases very, very serious, and they are planning to reduce the greenhouse gases also. And if we go down here, the bottom line on ChargePoint, it is a huge stock in my opinion for a long term hold. Mention keyword long term. This is not a 1 year play. This is not a few months play, not a couple months play. This is a year after year after year of holding. You're gonna need to hold for at least 2 years in order to see good results. And this is why I want you guys to do your own research. See if you wanna invest and wait in this company. Is it worth it? In my opinion, it is worth it. So let me know in the comment section whether you hold shares of ChargePoint and how long you are holding and what is your price target of 2021.